Earlier today, internationally renowned Guyanese musician Mr. Eddy Grant visited New Amsterdam, where he addressed school children about reparation. Narima Ali reports.
Well-renowned Guyanese musician Mr. Eddy Grant created history today as he visited the ancient county of Berbice to edify school children about reparation. Mr. Grant's stay in Berbice began with a warm welcome at the Arch in New Amsterdam, where he was greeted by a number of school children. He then made courtesy calls on the Deputy REO, Mr. Claude Henry, the Mayor of New Amsterdam, Miss Winifred Haywood, and the Commander of B Division, Mr. Clifton Hicken, in the presence of the officers in charge of the New Amsterdam Prison and the New Amsterdam Fire Station. Reparation is the name of one of Mr. Grant's songs.
Oh Lord, I want reparation. You got to give me reparation. How come when you talk reparation? Oh Lord, you take it so hard. Oh Lord, you take it so hard. My people want to know. My people want to know now. Why make you treat me so? Why make you treat me different? How we not get reparation? We got to get reparation. How come we talk reparation? Oh, when you take it so hard. Oh, when you take it so hard.
At a program held today at the Little Rock Conference Room, Mr. Eddy Grant addressed school children from 22 schools in Berbice, in which he delivered this important message.
If the nations of this world have abused you to such an extent, you shouldn't be vexed. You shouldn't be vexed, right? I hear nobody saying yes. Yes. Well, I mean, it stands to reason. You should be vexed. We are not vexed. We are upset. We are not vexed, we are upset. We are upset that no single one of these countries have respected us or our governments to the extent that they would even just apologize. And the cost has been in human life phenomenal. And their value system has been established based economically upon the death and destruction of our people. Everything in Guyana, the children, the reason I'm speaking to you again is because you have a value, not a price. You will leave here when we finish talking, and you will go wherever it is that you got to go. But you must always remember this. You have got a value. You've got a value to yourself, a value to your family, and a value to Guyana. And unless you understand that, you will be anybody's to do with what they want.
The Reparations Committee of Guyana continues to spread awareness in all regions throughout the country. Mr. Grant sees it fit to address the children about this important topic because they are the future of our country. Narima Ali, Channel 8 News.